let's get down to business. For this recipe, you'll need 6 large eggs, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 large onion, diced, 1 red bell pepper, seeded and diced, 4 garlic cloves, finely chopped, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 28-ounce can of whole plum tomatoes with their juices, coarsely chopped, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, plus more as needed, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, plus more as needed, 5 ounces feta cheese crumbled, chopped cilantro for serving, hot sauce for serving, optional but highly recommended unless you're a wimp. Now, before we start cooking, let's talk prep time. This dish takes about 30 minutes to prepare and another 20 minutes to cook. It's perfect for brunch, lunch, or dinner. Basically, anytime you're hungry and want to feel fancy without putting on real pants. As for the taste, imagine a warm hug for your taste buds. It's tangy from the tomatoes, creamy from the eggs and feta, and has just the right amount of kick from the spices. It's like a flavor party in your mouth, and everyone's invited. Now, let's get cooking. First, heat the olive oil in a large skillet over medium-low heat. Add the onion and bell pepper. Cook gently until very soft, about 20 minutes. Add garlic and cook until tender, 1 to 2 minutes. Stir in paprika, cumin, and chili powder and cook 1 minute. Pour in tomatoes and season with 3/4 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon pepper. Simmer until tomatoes have thickened, about 10 minutes. Stir in crumbled feta. Gently crack eggs into skillet over tomatoes. Season eggs with salt and pepper. Cover skillet and cook until eggs are just set, 7 to 10 minutes. Sprinkle with cilantro and serve with hot sauce. Now here's where it gets fun. You can customize this dish to your heart's content. Don't like feta? Use goat cheese or leave it out altogether. Want more veggies? Throw in some spinach or zucchini. The world is your shakshuka, people. Speaking of customization, let me tell you about the time I tried to customize my daughter's birthday cake. Pro tip: food coloring and fondant do not mix well, especially when you're trying to create a unicorn that ends up looking more like a horse with a birth defect. But hey, at least the inside tasted good. Back to our shakshuka. This dish is not only delicious, but also pretty nutritious. It's packed with protein from the eggs and feta, and you're getting a good dose of vitamins from the tomatoes and bell peppers. It's like a multivitamin, but actually enjoyable to consume. Now, let's talk about some cooking jargon. When we say simmer, we mean to cook the food just below the boiling point. You should see small bubbles forming, but it shouldn't be a rolling boil. Think of it like a hot tub. You want it warm and bubbly, not boiling like a jacuzzi from hell. One thing to keep in mind, the eggs will continue to cook from the residual heat after you take the skillet off the stove. So if you like your yolks runny, and who doesn't, you might want to take it off the heat a minute or two earlier. If you're feeling fancy, you can serve this with some crusty bread for dipping. It's like edible silverware, and it saves on dishes. Win-win! And if you're feeling extra bougie, sprinkle some za'atar on top. It's a Middle Eastern spice blend that'll make you feel like you're dining in a Moroccan palace instead of your kitchen with the kids' artwork plastered all over the fridge. Now, let's talk about some common shakshuka mistakes. First, don't overcook the eggs. Nobody wants rubbery eggs unless you're making dog toys, in which case, carry on. Second, don't skimp on the spices. This isn't the time to be shy. Go bold or go home. If you're meal prepping, you can make the tomato sauce ahead of time and just reheat it when you're ready to add the eggs. It's like having a personal chef, except the chef is you from yesterday. Now, if you're wondering about the origins of shakshuka, it's believed to have originated in Tunisia. It then spread to other parts of the Middle East and North Africa. It's like the Kevin Bacon of dishes. It's got connections everywhere. Speaking of connections, let me tell you about my recent family vacation. We decided to go camping because apparently I hadn't suffered enough this year. Picture this: 3 days of no Wi-Fi, questionable bathroom facilities, and my husband trying to start a fire like he's auditioning for Survivor. The highlight? My son asking if we could change the channel on the stars. City kids, I tell you. But back to our shakshuka. This dish is perfect for those mornings when you wake up and think, I could really go for something that's not cereal or Pop-Tarts. It's also great for impressing guests. Just throw it together, add some mimosas, and suddenly you're the host with the most. Remember, cooking is all about having fun and experimenting. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Trust me, if I can survive making a birthday cake that looked like it came from the island of misfit toys, you can handle a little shakshuka mishap. So, there you have it, folks. Shakshuka with feta cheese, a dish that's sure to spice up your life and your Instagram feed. And remember, if all else fails, there's always takeout. Until next time, keep cooking and keep laughing.